So this is the Echo Show 15, and at first glance it doesn't really feel like a typical smart device. It feels more like a digital panel designed to permanently live on your wall, almost like a home command center that quietly runs in the background of your daily life. And that's exactly what Amazon is going for here. Instead of being something you hold or carry around, this is meant to stay in one place and become part of your home environment. A screen you don't really use in the traditional sense, but something you naturally look at throughout the day. The first thing that immediately stands out is the size. 15 inches on a wall is a completely different experience compared to a phone or tablet. It doesn't disappear after use. It doesn't get pocketed. It just stays there, always visible, always ready to show you what's going on. And the idea behind the interface reflects that. You get a layout built around widgets, your calendar, reminders, weather, smart home controls, shopping lists, and quick shortcuts. Everything is arranged for quick glances instead of deep interaction. When it works well, it actually feels very practical. You walk into a room and instantly see your schedule. You check the weather without opening an app. You turn off lights or adjust devices without even picking up your phone. Over time, it starts to blend into your routine in a pretty natural way. And that's where this device tries to justify its existence. The display itself is decent. It's not trying to compete with premium tablets or high-end screens. Instead, it's optimized for distance viewing, which makes sense because you're not sitting right in front of it most of the time. Colors are fine, brightness is solid, and touch response is smooth enough for everyday use. Nothing extraordinary, but also nothing that breaks the experience. It just works. But the real core of the Echo Show 15 is Alexa. This is where the device either becomes extremely useful or feels a bit limited depending on your setup. If you already have a smart home ecosystem, lights, cameras, plugs, thermostats, all connected through Alexa, then this becomes a central control hub for everything. You can manage your entire home from one screen or just use your voice without touching anything. And voice control is where it really shines, because instead of treating it like a display, you start treating it like an assistant that's always available in the background. You ask questions, control devices, set timers, and manage routines without interrupting what you're doing. But there's a catch. The entire experience is heavily tied to Amazon's ecosystem. If you're already inside it, everything feels smooth and connected. If you're not, it can feel a bit restricted compared to a normal tablet where you have full app freedom. Placement is another important factor. This is not portable at all. Once it's mounted, it's basically part of your wall setup. So where you install it actually defines how useful it becomes. In a kitchen, it feels extremely practical: recipes, timers, weather, and smart controls all in one place. In a living room, it becomes a central dashboard for your smart home. In a bedroom, it can be useful, but also slightly distracting depending on how you use screens before sleeping. It stops being a gadget and starts becoming part of the room. One feature that doesn't get enough attention is video calling. The built-in camera allows you to drop into calls easily without holding anything. You're just there in the room talking naturally. It's not about perfect studio quality. It's about convenience and accessibility. And that really defines the entire product. Convenience over complexity. But it's not perfect. There are moments where it feels a bit limited, especially if you expect it to behave like a full tablet. It doesn't always feel super fast or fully flexible. And sometimes you wish it had more freedom outside the Alexa ecosystem. And that's really the trade-off here. The Echo Show 15 is not trying to replace your phone, your tablet, or your TV. It's trying to be a fixed smart hub that lives on your wall and organizes your digital life in one place. And depending on how you live, that either feels extremely useful or completely unnecessary. If your home already has smart devices and you're deep into Alexa, this can actually bring everything together in a clean, simple way that reduces friction in daily life. But if you're not really into smart home setups yet, it might feel like a device that's waiting for a system you don't fully use. Still, there's something interesting about it. A screen that's always there, always on, always showing something useful, always ready when you need it. It doesn't try to impress you with raw performance or flashy specs. Instead, it slowly becomes part of your routine. And once that happens, you stop noticing the device itself and start noticing how much smoother your home feels. So the real decision isn't about features. It's about lifestyle, whether you actually need a central smart hub or not. Because if you do, the Echo Show 15 fits right in. And if you don't, it might just end up being a very expensive wall screen.